Earth tones dominate the New Balance 2010 Brighton Grey Linen sneaker. Sneaker enthusiasts, get ready for the latest drop that's taking the world by storm. The New Balance 2010 Brighton Grey Linen is a must-have addition to your collection, featuring a stylish and contemporary design that's perfect for any casual occasion. Sole Retriever, as the go-to source for all things sneakers, we're committed to democratizing access and discovery of the latest sneaker drops and news. Our mission is to keep you informed and up-to-date with the most sought-after releases in the sneaker world. Contact https www.solarretriever.com. Privacy https www.solarretriever.com/privacy policy. And disclaimer www.solarretriever.com/disclaimer. Copy your contact details. Solar Retriever, LLC. Contact https www.solarretriever.com/privacy policy. Terms https www.solarretriever.com/terms of service. Cookies https www.solarretriever.com/cookie policy. Stay ahead of the game with our weekly emails featuring the top sneaker releases, breaking news, giveaways, and more. Don't miss out on your chance to cop the hottest kicks before anyone else, plus sneaker raffles, plus mobile app sneaker wins, plus sneaker drops releases, plus sneakers tracked.